Hey everybody, John here from Angler's Covey, and we wanted to come at you today with just a quick winter fly tying tip. Now, this is really good, especially for those beginner fly tyers. This could be a really easy time to tie some very basic flies and stock up those boxes. So it's winter time. No matter where you go, midges are going to be on the menu. And some of my favorite midge patterns are very simple, just thread midge patterns. The cool thing about this is you can take any color of thread that you have or want to get and tie a thread midge out of. So it allows you to get really creative, make some of those different types of patterns, and maybe some stuff the fish haven't seen. So any color of thread, wide open, no rules. And then for hooks, I either like a curved scud style hook like a Tiemco 2488, or even a dry fly hook, the Tiemco 101. It's a straight shank hook. Now, both these hooks in small sizes are great platforms to make a midge fly pattern. So all I'm going to do is take my desired color of thread, start some thread, my desired color of wire, tie this guy in, making sure I have a nice uniform base of thread there for the body. Just gonna wrap this thread, representing some segmentation. And like that, I'm done with just a very simple thread midge. As you can see, it doesn't take long to tie up one of these thread midges. So yeah, sit down, get all kinds of different colors of thread, different colors of wire, have at it, knock yourself out. Make the next greatest fly that's going to catch that big 24-inch fish out on the river. If you guys have any questions about fly tying or anything at all, come in and see us. We're more than happy to help you. Till next time.